You gotta make money. You gotta spend money to get money. That's another way of putting it, right? You gotta pay your bills. Once you pay your bills, then they see you can manage that. Then they give you more. They give you more. But here's the thing: I think a lot of people are missing that plan. What to do with the money? They don't know what to do with it, and it's not to go shopping. Like that's not the plan to go shopping. Buying a new car is not the plan. Because I done help people get money, and the first thing they do go buy a brand new BMW. Even my brother, if my brother gets credit, guess what he do? He go buy a brand new. I'm like, bro, what you doing? He's like, well, I had to get it. I'm like, all right, but that wasn't the plan though. The plan was to invest. I can't say that enough. The only way to get wealthy if you invest your money. Ain't even gotta be your money. Just invest somebody else's money, and you get paid off of it. You can invest other people's money. You can borrow their money and go invest it and get paid off of it. That's essentially what I'm telling you guys. Borrow somebody else's money, go and invest that money, and you get paid off of it. Not go borrow somebody money and go buy a car with it, go shopping. I heard this girl, she was talking, she was saying her boyfriend would get, he would go borrow money like credit card, run up his credit card, and go and buy an outfit, get in the club VIP, get a section, buying bottles. Like that's what he would do with his credit. Like, bro, like that's not what you do with credit. You don't go shopping, go to the club VIP, buying bottles and section. That's not what we talking about. So we gotta learn how to invest money. And my favorite way is real estate. That's one of my favorite ways to invest in it. And some people, they got their own business. They might be a caterer. They might cook. They might do different stuff. Whatever it is you do, you just need to invest into that business that's going to bring you more money. I'm not saying real estate is the only thing, but you need to invest into something that produces money. It got to produce money, a lot of it. I just know real estate guaranteed no matter if I dare or not, right? Not against anybody that cook, but you got to be there, or somebody got to be there to cook it, to make money and run that business. Whereas me, once I rent it out, I'm done. I don't go back ever. If something go wrong, I send my handyman. I don't go. So I could be doing whatever I need to be doing and never had to go back to that property. Because I like stuff on auto. You're gonna get paid whether you there or not, and I'm never there. So that's the whole plan, guys. Just have a plan for your money, because you will get the money if you structure everything out properly, right? You get your LLC, you got your personal credit straight. You going and you're applying for these different cards and loans and lines of credit. You're gonna get the money. What are you gonna do with it? That's the question you're gonna ask yourself. What do you want to what do you want to do with it? That's what I want everybody to ask themselves. And then don't even think like, oh, where I live, I can't do that here. Who said you got to do it where you live? Like Yolanda was just talking about buying property on the coast. So it don't matter where you at. You can still buy property somewhere and make
Yeah,
that money work for you.
I need to do something with it because I got my funding and the money, and now I just have it sitting. So it's time for me to make a move and don't let it just sit idle and let it make some money for me. I got the one property, have it on Section 8. That's going really well. Tenants paying on time, money coming in from Section 8 every month on the first. So that's going good. Now I'm ready to make a move because I had the money and it's just sitting there.
Hmm.
That's better than spending it and getting further in debt, but I'm ready to put it to work.
Yeah. Because the money, here's the thing, like people have money sitting in their account It's not going to make you any more money sitting there. Actually, you're going to lose money. The longer you let it sit there, the longer you're going to lose money because of inflation. So you got to put that money to work.